imagine how much that is. So guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see today, you're joining me from a random field car park at Rally Day at Castle Combe. So we're going to get straight into the video. We're going to do a quick little spotting session in the car park. First things first is this beautiful looking Escort, wide arches, cage in there, very rally car-esque. Looks like Cosworth wheels maybe? But yeah, that's a pretty good start considering we're only in the car park. Now how's this for a spot? I know it's a bit of an odd spot, but a two-door classic Range Rover, very sought after these days, very expensive as well. These are getting out of control on the pricing. But yeah, very, very cool thing. As Renault 5 turbos go, Avon, old school looking slick tyres on this for the track today. Absolutely stunning bit of history, and I love a good Renault me, so seeing one of these in person is absolutely biblical. As you can see, engine in at the back. Yeah, that's mad to see in person. Just at the Rally Legends section, just looking down at all of the cars. Look at this one, genuine Colin McRae rally car. Can only imagine how much that is. That could just be any amount of money. Next to the Celica, a Sierra just going down here, Evo, yeah, absolutely tons of cars. Lovely 206 down there as well. Big fan of the French stuff, obviously. 205, look at this 205. Oh, that's super cool. Renault 5 coming past. Yeah, it's just like heaven for any rally car enthusiasts out there. Little Swift, I actually saw that going past, completely getting hurt. But yeah, big fan of the 205 there. You guys may or may not remember this from the channel. I actually bought it as a review years ago now. And yeah, it's lovely to see this car here again, looking absolutely fantastic. We do have a lovely looking Subaru Impreza next to us as well. These are actually both Isle of Wight cars. Isle of Wight owners actually own these two cars. And we actually have this next to it, a Skoda with a Subaru running gear, which is biblical to say the least. Four-wheel drive as well. But yeah, what an array of madness in one corner. No, the Lancia! Remember guys, this is actually the one that I shot for the channel on the road. Hendy Ford Sierra coming in for a start. So this is actually lining up now, is one of the cars from the island. So this should sound really good. Must admit, this is probably my favourite one that's come past so far. Big fan of this car. absolute rally porn today. Oh my god, look at the state of it. Just everywhere. How's this for a lineup? Wow, that is insane. Behind us we've got Subaru coming in. Here's something you've never seen, or I've never seen, a Dacia Duster rally car. Actually makes complete sense because it's probably very cheap to actually get parts for, but yeah, there's one of them here. 205 in front of it, sick as well. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. That is the dream. Just casual, this place. I mean, you stood here, a genuine 206 rally car just cruises past. There's actually an RS 1700T and an RS 200 just behind it there. You've seen that on my Instagram, follow me, Jamie FYD. But look at this as an array of cars. There's people around, so I'm gonna try my best to actually show you this. So genuine, what I believe to be a genuine Mexico. Beautiful bit of kit. Next to that, RS 1800. Another one here with the arches. Now this one is Jeremy Clarkson's old car. How cool is that? So notice the plate on 18-inch Cosworth wheels. It's a nice little picture of him stood next to it. No. That's awesome. So yeah, really nice to see that here. Just going to give you guys 5 seconds of cammed, what I believe to be cammed, idle with a Subaru. Yep, that's lovely. Walking back down, how's this review? 2 Cosworths, an RS 1600i and a 3-door, just in the background there. The Puma Racing with the boot up. Another RS 1600i, an Ultimate Green Focus. I mean, just in this clip here, in that clip there, that is gold right there, let's be honest lads. Proper bit of kit. And if you come down on the Sierra, red. I'm about the red in the Cosworths at the moment. And Ken Block appeared. He's here, that's good. Look at this rolling out. Very cool. Back in a car park, and I thought I'd do a bit of car park spotting for you guys on the end of this video. So please let me know in the comments below if you actually like car park spotting. I think it's really cool. So we've got an i30N just over here. Really cool, underrated car. S7, don't see many I mean, if you're buying an RS7, you buy an RS7, if you're buying a diesel, buy a diesel. So a bit of an in the middle car there. Lupo GTI, one of my favourite cars from this era. Do think they're going to be incredibly expensive at some point. This one's really, really clean though. So very nice looking GTI just there. If you are after one of these, buy one now. I do think they're the next car to go up very quickly. Just over here though, you know, the GR-MN. Very cool to see one of these. There is a lot of GRs here. This one is obviously the supercharged one. Rarer now maybe than the other ones. Couple of future classics here. Believe this is an anniversary Golf. Please let me know in the comments below if I am wrong, but if it's an anniversary, definitely something to look out for in the future. And an E46 M3, even a convertible, even if it's SMG, I believe these cars will be expensive if they aren't already now. They're definitely going up. But two future classics right there. Nice array there, GR, ST, and a little 182 Clio. Another 172 over here, and a TVR just in the background over there. Another car that I believe to go up at some point is the Edition 30 Mark 5s. Super clean one here. Looks very, very presentable. And the first one of these I've seen running the Golf R engine and various other bits. But yeah, cool to see those two together. Just coming back to the car just here. Absolutely love these. Again, I always say I love things like this, but I'd love one of them. Civic Type R, classic Range Rover still here, big fan of this. And I think that's about it for car park spotting on the way back to the car. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like this sort of content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next one.